Hello everyone, and welcome back to Police Systems and Practices. And now we're in week 5. The chapters covered in this week's lecture will be chapter 5 and chapter 6. Now chapter 5 deals with police management and chapter 6 deals with organizational change. Very good topics. Chapter outline for chapter 5 includes the managerial process. The development of police management, which encompasses classical police management, behavioral police management, and contemporary police management. Organizational design, which encompasses criticisms of the paramilitary design, the influence of community policing, and structuring police discretion. Managing police performance, which encompasses measuring what matters, police organizational performance, police unit performance, and supervision and police performance. Managing group behavior, which encompasses police subcultures, employee organizations, and police unions. Managing critical incidents. And lastly, media relations and strategic communications. All right, so pay particular attention to the organizational pyramid with levels of hierarchy on page 135. The principles of quality leadership on page 139. The tables provided for you on page 149. The street cops code on page 152. I think that you'll find that interesting. Lastly, I have a critical thinking question for you to consider. What influence does the paramilitary organization design have on present-day policing? So why is it so hard to change? And is it still necessary? All right, the chapter outline for chapter 6 includes organizational change, which encompasses reorganizing, improving leadership and management, revising policies and procedures, and changing strategies and tactics, changing behavior, and changing the organizational culture. The change process, which encompasses resistance to change and overcoming resistance to change. And we can't forget the Madison experience, which encompasses laying the foundation, key elements to change, and results from Madison. Experiences in other departments: Chicago PD, NYPD, LAPD, Cincinnati PD, and Pittsburgh PD. Institutionalizing innovation and change, which encompasses measuring what matters, continuous improvement, research and development, and education and training. Okay, so pay particular attention to managing versus leading, page 166. Voices from the field, page 169. Ram's hierarchy of disagreement on page 171. Wham! In Chicago, page 178. You should find that interesting. And research and development, pages 182 and 183. And lastly, I have another critical question for you to consider. Yeah, I know. It's always a question, right? Yeah, I know. What is meant by a learning organization? Discuss several ideas that would help police departments become learning organizations. Well, that's all for now. I'll see you in class.